Hey guys, welcome to our 10-minute lower ab workout. I designed this workout to specifically target one muscle group. If you want a full body workout, go ahead and check out the other 10-minute videos. If you can't join us right now, make sure you save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. Alright, let's begin our 10-minute lower ab workout. So the first one, we're going to lay on our back. I want you to eliminate the arc in your back, make it flat, and what I want you to do is bring your knee up and your arms up, and we are going opposite arm, opposite leg, and go. Really try to keep that back flat. If you feel like your back is giving in, just kind of like reset yourself and go right back into it. Deep breath in and out. This is kind of something that you go at your own pace. So really slow and controlled. As much as you can do it as your back stays flat. So you want the control where we're not arcing our back. So deep breath in and deep breath out. And rest. And so I want you to come on your hands and knees, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a bear hold reach. So you're going to get up on your toes, keep that core tight, and reach. Really try to keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. Breathe. And if you need to come down and rest at any point, please feel free. But really try to push through and don't give up. Good job, guys. You guys are doing great. Hang in there. We're almost there. Almost there. Breathe. Keep that core tight. Reach. And rest. All right, so now we are going to do a side plank. So we are going to get onto our elbow. Keep the legs together and come up. And do this for 30 seconds. Breathe. All right, and now we are switching sides. So for 30 seconds, if it helps to keep your arm up, feel free. Deep breaths in and out. And rest and come on your back. And we are going to go up. We're going to do glute bridge slides. So alternate legs. Extend out and come back in. Keep those glutes tight as we do this and keep that core tight. Nice, slow, and controlled movement. Keep your arms wherever they feel comfortable. You guys are doing great. Don't give up on me. Keep pushing. Deep breath in and out. Core tight and rest. And we're moving on to our last exercise. So we are going to do a plank. Keep that core tight. Try to keep our back as neutral as possible. Focus on your breathing. Try to think about anything else besides this plank that we're doing right now. The wider your stance is, the little easier it's going to be. To make it more challenging, keep your feet together. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Hang in there. We're almost done. We're almost done with this minute. Don't give up. Please don't give up. And rest. And we're going to go right back into the exercises we previously did. So our first one is our dead bugs. Keeping that back flat. Arms up, legs up, and opposite arms, opposite legs. Deep breath in and deep breath out. This whole workout is about nice and control. Because the slower you actually go, the harder it is, and the more you're gonna feel it in your abs. Deep breaths in and out. You guys are doing great. Hang in there with me, don't give up. Deep breaths in and out, and relax. All right, now we're gonna go back on our hands and knees, and we're gonna do that bear hold reach. Remember, slow and controlled. Really, really draw that core in. Don't quit on me. You guys are doing great. We're almost through this minute, guys. Keep that core tight. Breathe. Breathe. Don't quit on me. And rest. All right, and we're going right into our side plank. You guys are doing great. Hang in there with me for 30 seconds on this side. I'm gonna do 30 seconds on the other. You guys are doing amazing. Don't give up. I know our core is feeling it. All right, I want you to switch, come down, and switch sides. Hand up. Deep breath in and out. You guys are doing great. You guys are almost through this entire workout. After this, we have 2 more exercises, and then we are done. Wherever your hand feels comfortable, you can let it lay, or you can put it right in the air. And rest. All right, and we're going on our back. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna glute bridge up, core tight, in and out as we alternate legs. You guys are doing great. Deep breath in and out. Keep that core tight. We are almost through this minute. Make sure we're keeping those glutes tight as we extend our legs. Hang in there with me. Almost done. And we are resting, and we have one more exercise to go, and it is our plank. Ready? And go. Keep that core tight. Best thing to do is not even think about it. Try to think about something else. Focus on your breathing. Remember, the closer your feet are, the harder this plank is going to be. Deep breaths. Don't quit. You guys got this. We're halfway through. I know you guys can do it. Don't quit on me. Don't give up. We are almost there. Almost there. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Give me 5 more seconds. And we are resting. All right. So just give yourself a few seconds. Let that heart rate come down. Just feel the stretching in your body. All right, and when you're ready, come sit back up. Sit in kind of like a butterfly. Deep breath in and deep breath out. I want to thank you guys for joining, and I can't wait to see you next time. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and download our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.